Nimble Bullman was a professional rubber seal manufacturer, have more than 15 years export experience in different overseas markets. Main products have oil seal, O-ring, customized rubber parts, auto parts, gasket, boundary seal, rubber bowl, rubber strip, valve stem seal. Bullman have a strong technical team, can customize rubber raw material formula according to different needs in excellent quality and serving in several global top 500 companies. Factory have own mill department accepts any high difficult mill design and IATF 16949 certificate. Product with KTW W270 watermark, LFGB, ROHS, REACH FDA certificate.